Alright. The last month of 2018. Oh, can't believe it's finally here. Well, anyway. So today, I think I might do something a little bit different today. Well, what I've been doing since, was it after Thanksgiving? I think it was either before or after Thanksgiving. I can't remember when I was doing them gameplays for a little bit. But I really can't be doing those for long since there are people out there who are not interested in that. Or people out there who love model trains that do not have an interest in gameplays at all. So yeah, let's get to it. You all know what by the title of this video. So, and I'm pretty sure you guys should also know what movie this car is from. Ah yes, I think everybody should know this car. I know it like the back of my hand. So instead of looking at model trains, you are going to be looking at a very awesome Hot Wheels car. I bet for everyone that's watching this, at least just one of you own a Hot Wheels car. You don't have to own this. This thing's pretty hard to find, but yeah, at least one of you out there owns at least one Hot Wheels car. I own a bunch of them from when I was a kid. There's that one, and there's a bunch more in that drawer right there. That bottom drawer. Yeah, there's a bunch more in there, but I don't really get them out much. But yeah, this is the car that everyone should know. It's a DeLorean, but it's not the Back to the Future time machine DeLorean, sad to say. That one's probably hard to find. And it looks like this thing came out either this year or last year. Maybe this year, because it says the 50th anniversary of Hot Wheels. And yeah, it's a pretty nice looking car. I really like this car. Yeah, let's get this out of the box. But before I do get this car out, I'm gonna unbox this. So, just in case I have a little bit of trouble getting the damn car out. So, yeah, if I can find a way to unravel this or tear this up. 1 second, please. And I am back. Where would the world be without scissors, eh? Alright, let's get this open. Alright. This should, yep. Alright, this is my first time ever owning an X-Acto knife, so. Yes. Man, you can tell this thing's pretty sharp. Is this plastic around it? I think it is, yeah. But I gotta be very careful getting this off. Yep, there we go. Okay. Yeah, and it was plastic around it. Okay. Put that away for now, because I don't need it right now. The only thing that we're all interested in is the damn car. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get the camera adjusted on my phone on a Lego phone stand that I made. Now I'll get the car out. I hope I can get this in shot. This is my first time ever opening this. Oh, yep. Feels like we don't need the X-Acto knife, but oh, wow, look at this. Yeah, I found this at a grocery store the other day, and they were selling these Hot Wheel cars for $1. So yeah, that's the DeLorean. Now let's take a closer look. Well, the car looks really, really nice, but I did find one thing that's probably a bit disappointed. I did notice even before I bought this is we've gone to a bit of money saving on the front here. As you can see, it looks like they didn't even put the company logo at the grill where it usually will be at, and the headlights aren't even painted too. So that is a very big letdown. Why would Mattel ever do this? Yeah, these Hot Wheel cars though, everything else is really, really nice. I was not expecting to see a DeLorean in I wasn't expecting to see a DeLorean to this day. I thought Hot Wheels quit making them, and I thought these things probably are going to be rare car to find, because I know there are a lot of collectors out there who will love to have this. Even Back to the Future fans like me. I'm a huge fan of the Back to the Future movies. I love them a lot. I've been watching them since I was kid, since as long as I can remember. And I absolutely fell in love with this car. The detail is just so amazing. The interior is so hard to get. It's because trying to get better view, you can probably see the gear stick. Gear stick? Yeah, I think it's called the gear stick. Right there. I think you can just see it. Oh, out of focus. Yeah, there it is. The windows are slightly open. Who knows why? I don't know why the DeLorean Motor Company would make something like that, but they did. Not sure what this is. Why this is there on a real DeLoreans, but again, it's there. Now, this kind of bugs me. Hold the car right. I don't know why Mattel would paint this at the back, but not the front. That's very surprising. So you can see the DeLorean nameplate there. But oh, whoops. Oh, I landed on the train track. I wish you could have got a shot of that. I'm sorry. Well, it was landing like that. Put it in focus. It was landing like that. Okay. It didn't land on the train tracks like that. I'm gonna train there. Yeah. I know it's not. I know it's a diesel engine, not a steam engine, like in Back to the Future Part 3. But you know what? Even though the engines I have are slightly bigger than the old West version, but hey, it's, you can imagine anything, right? But yeah, that is the DeLorean by Hot Wheels, and I think I know a perfect spot to put this thing in. So if you've seen all of my earlier videos, you will notice that this car has been in the same exact spot on my level crossing. So also, if you notice, there's not a single car at the other side. So what I'm gonna do, here comes the hand of God, put the car right there. I know it doesn't look that noticeable, and drive the DeLorean right here. That way it can rest there forever, I guess. So now that I have the original DeLorean that's Mattel made, I think I know my starting point to get a Back to the Future Time Machine DeLorean, which I feel like I am now on a mission to hunt. Don't know if you saw it on the screen there, but bam. There's my starting point right there.